So we recently decorated a lot of bottles, and to do that, we had to remove a lot of labels. So we experimented with some different approaches, and in this video, we're going to talk about which technique we like best to get the labels off the bottle. We started off with the blow dryer approach, just put the hair dryer on a high heat and held it up against the bottle for about 30 seconds. It really did help loosen the adhesive. Prior to using the hair dryer, we just could not get the label to lift at all. And we did find that when we used it, we could start to get it to lift. But you can see here, it just doesn't pull off super easy. We were still doing it kind of section by section. We would heat up one side, we'd get success pulling that part of the label off, and we would heat it some more. I'd say overall, it definitely wasn't our best approach. And we also just soaked a couple of the bottles in warm water with dishwashing detergent, like Dawn dishwashing detergent. And we soaked it for about 10 minutes. We found that this method was much, much better than the hair dryer method. It really just pulled off. You can see right here how once it was wet, the whole label, look at that, the whole label just kind of pulled off all at once. That was much better than anything that happened as we used the hair dryer. But no matter which of the two methods we used, the Goo Gone just came in to save the day with both. It's really what helped us get that adhesive off of the bottle. You can see here we had to spray really both methods. We sprayed it down and just helped us get a totally clean glass bottle that was just going to look great when we painted it and when we put our decorations on it. And the Goo Gone step just took hardly any time at all. We just sprayed it on, and you can just see here how easily the rest of that adhesive comes off. We've got a lot more bottles to make, and we've decided going forward, we're just going to soak them in the hot sudsy water because that way was much quicker. And then just doing a touch of Goo Gone at the end to get all of those bottles clean. Love to hear below any techniques that you found that really helps get the bottle labels off quickly.